Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft connection loss problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do first, just click here and then type control panel, and after that once you're here, click network and sharing center, and then first option here, access type internet and connections, internet or Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter, just click on it. And then click properties, and now protocol internet version 4, click properties, and here we'll find it here, select used following DNS server, and then type those numbers here and click OK and close it. And after that all you have to do, just click here and type game mode settings, and then just turn on this option and go to captures and turn off those two options, and first option turn it off, and that's it. Restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.